space looks like right now. I need to get a mount for my monitor, but right now it's just sitting on there. And I have Miss Girl playing, and I have to finish putting up laundry. But we're on time blocks. So little work rundown is I have Asana, and I have all my tasks in Asana. And what I've done, I found that I work best whenever I do have all of those tasks in Asana, and I've been using this planner. I'm on January today, but I've been taking the monthly like spreads for past months, and I've just been using this as a to-do list, and I love the dotted lines, but this just works for me. And I'll do a to-do list, but it's not really a to-do list. I'm writing down the tasks that I'm doing and not the next task. So then I'll just like include the time blocks, check off the task, and then write down the new task when I'm gonna start it. And this just helps me not get overwhelmed, because I tend to go to the next thing or like think about the next thing. So that's why I love Asana, but whenever I'm actively doing the tasks, it just, you know, so that. And I also have this new app, and it's basically the Pomodoro technique, except I have 30-minute intervals, because I just like the way that that works best. And it reminds me I need to mark my time slots on here. So we're about to start another 30-minute block of pure focus. I have my coffee, as always. I have been off of Notion for a little bit, just because I'm trying to like simplify and rework my focusing like productivity routine. So I've been using Asana, a to-do list, and the timers. So I'll probably get on Notion soon again. That's what I'm doing right now. Oh my god, I just realized that the PC is probably too loud. Anyways, I already passed my, so the way this works is I have 4 flows, and the first flow is 30 minutes, and then you get a 5-minute break, and then you start the next flow at 30 minutes, 5-minute break, next flow, 30 minutes, 5-minute break, 30 minutes, and then you get a 30-minute break. That's how I have mine set up. So we already passed the 5 minutes. I'm gonna start.
Take candid shots. Where the candid shots are getting up.
Let them know, let them know.
Good morning, everybody. I'm just sitting in the car doing computer work, actually, while my brothers are cutting the grass and stuff. Me looking like I wanted to. This is just me talking now. I am literally turning red. So I'm gonna open the door and try to do this work. Hello guys. Welcome to another day of vlogs. Today is Friday and it was a shopping day, so I'm gonna show you what I got. First, we stopped at Anthropologie and I got this perfume that I had heard of, and then I put it on a Scentsy stick, walked out the store the last time that I was there, and then this time came back and grabbed it. And it just smells really good. It was only $24. It smells good. It's just like a easy basic, just vanilla-y smell. I went to Zara and I got this for a birthday event that's happening tomorrow. And it's just this little vest looking thing. If I can find it, I'll link it. I went to PacSun and I just got a few Brandy things, and Brandy is the brand that I would love to hate, but it just always fits so nice and comfy. This is just a regular little t-shirt that says New York. I really love a dark green like that. This little basic black tee. I mean, it's just a basic black little baby tee. I need more of those though. Like, I really need basic stuff because I, for some reason, don't buy. And then I also got this little raglan tee. And those two are more baby tee and like tighter, but they're longer, so they're not cropped, which is why I love them. Okay, and then I stopped by Sweet Paris to get the boys back home, and myself and my mom some crepes, and now I'm going to get them soda.